excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast, the place where you practice real-life English, real conversations, and real listening. No textbooks, no pressure.
Exactly. English for everyday life. I'm Leo.
And I'm Maya. So, Leo, honest question. How was your day?
Busy, but in a good way. Work in the morning, a short walk in the afternoon, and now I feel awake again. You?
A little sleepy, actually. I stayed up too late watching a series.
Ah, the classic just one more episode situation.
Exactly. And that's actually a perfect introduction to today's topic.
Yep, today we're talking about time. More specifically, how not to lose it without realizing.
People say, don't waste your time. But what does that really mean?
For me, wasting time isn't about relaxing or having fun. It's when time disappears and leaves nothing useful behind.
That feeling when you stop and think, wait, where did the last hour go?
Exactly. I think of time like money in your pocket. You don't notice a few coins disappearing until suddenly your pocket is empty.
And the scary part? We don't get a refund on time.
Let me tell you a quick story. One afternoon, I told myself, I'll rest for 5 minutes.
Famous last words.
I opened my phone, watched one short video, then another. When I finally looked up, almost an hour was gone.
And did you feel relaxed after?
Not at all. I felt more tired. That's how I knew that time didn't help me. It just disappeared.
Our first idea is simple. Decide something small before the day starts.
Not a big promise like, I'll master English today.
That's too heavy, too unclear.
Instead, try something tiny and clear like, I'll learn 2 new words today. Or, I'll listen to English for 5 minutes.
Think of it like choosing a destination before you start walking. If you don't choose, you'll just wander.
And wandering is how time disappears.
Most people think learning needs big, free time. But real progress often comes from small moments.
Waiting for a bus, standing in a line, walking somewhere.
These are tiny pieces of time, but they add up.
5 minutes today, 5 tomorrow. After a month, that's hours of practice.
So instead of reaching for endless scrolling, you could listen, repeat, or review just one thing.
If English feels like punishment, your brain will escape.
But if it feels enjoyable, your brain stays.
That's why it's okay, actually smart, to learn through things you like.
Music, short videos, stories, shows.
When English connects to joy, it stops feeling like work.
Let's be honest, phones are powerful time traps.
They're not evil, but they're very persuasive.
One message turns into 20 minutes.
So make small boundaries. Put your phone away for a short time. Turn off notifications while you focus.
You're not punishing yourself, you're protecting your attention.
We need to say this clearly. Resting is not wasting time.
Your brain is not a machine. It needs charging.
Sometimes sleeping, sitting quietly, or doing nothing is the smartest thing you can do.
The goal isn't to do more, it's to use your energy wisely.
Key words. Quick review. Let's review a few helpful words from today. Intentional. Doing something on purpose. Distracted. Unable to focus. Routine. Things you do regularly. Balance. Not too much, not too little. Invest time. Use time now for future benefits.
Try using just one of these words today. That alone is progress.
A simple plan for today. Before you go, here's a simple challenge. Choose one small English goal. Decide when you'll do it. Keep it light and enjoyable. When you finish, say, well done.
That kindness toward yourself matters more than you think.
Your time matters. You don't need to change everything, just one small habit.
And remember, even a few good minutes every day can change your English.
Thanks for spending this time with us.
You didn't lose it, you invested it.
See you next time. Take care.
See you next time. Take care.